Hi, my name is Ken Reed with SkipperBud's and welcome aboard Risk Transfer, a 2001 Neptunus 5619 Express. Risk Transfer is a 2001 Neptunus 5619 Express powered by twin Caterpillar 3196 inboards. This boat features a cockpit ice maker, hydraulic swim platform, washer-dryer combo, fresh cockpit flooring, which is the sea-teak, hardwood flooring in the salon and cabin, and much more. Other features include fresh electronics, bow thruster, electronic controls, and as you can see, the boat is in very good condition. Moving into the cabin, the owner of this boat recently had marble flooring installed in the galley, and of course the hardwood flooring here. Master is aft with tons of storage, and then also head floors also have marble flooring. VIP stateroom is forward, with again, tons of storage. And again, marble flooring in this head as well. Separate shower. For more information on this 2001 Neptunus 5619, call Ken Reed at 414-614-2628. Thanks for watching.